Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use focus mode on your iPhone for maximum productivity. Let's get started. With focus mode, your iPhone can automatically silence notifications and calls based on what you're doing, helping you stay productive. You can personalize focus modes for working, driving, or anything else you need. To get started, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Focus. Here, you'll find suggested focus options like work or sleep, which you can tap to customize to fit your needs. Before selecting a focus, you can turn on Share Across Devices if you'd like. This feature syncs your focus mode across all your devices signed in with your Apple ID, ensuring consistency. Additionally, you can enable Focus Status, which lets apps notify people that you have silenced notifications when they try to message you. This is especially helpful for letting others know you're busy. To add a new focus, tap the Add button, which looks like a plus sign in the upper right corner. You can tap Custom to build your own, or choose a suggested theme. We're going to add a focus for mindfulness. Tap Customize Focus to continue. In any focus, you can choose which notifications you want to come through while this focus is turned on. Tap People to choose people you'd like to receive notifications from. If you pick Allow Notifications From, only the selected people will be able to notify you, and the rest will be muted. Alternatively, if you choose Silence Notifications From, the individuals you add to the list will have their notifications silenced. To add someone to the list, tap Add People. Select the contact and then hit Done in the upper right corner. You can also decide who can call you while the focus is active. Tap the menu next to Allow Calls From and select a group, such as your favorites or contacts. We'll select Allowed People Only, which includes the people we just added to this focus. Any other calls will be silenced and sent to voicemail. Once you're finished, tap back in the upper left corner to return to your focus settings. To customize app notifications, tap on Apps and decide whether you'd like to allow or silence notifications from certain apps. In this case, we'll silence our app notifications. Tap Add Apps, select the apps you want, and then tap Done in the upper right corner. Now, notifications from the selected apps will be directed straight to the notification center when this focus is active, except for notifications from the people you added to your allowed people list earlier. Once you're done, tap back in the upper left corner. You can then choose a custom lock screen to match your focus theme, serving as a reminder at a glance that focus is activated. Under the lock screen icon, tap Choose, select one of your lock screens, or pick a new one from the gallery, and then tap Done in the upper right corner. You can also select a home screen page for this focus and hide the others to minimize distractions. Under the home screen icon, tap Choose and select one of your home screen pages, or create a new one with suggested apps to match your focus. Then tap Done in the upper right corner. You can also set a schedule to activate focus automatically at a specific time, location, or when using a certain app. You might see a suggested option here, or you can tap to set one up. To adjust how specific apps behave while your focus is active, you can set up a focus filter. Filters let certain notifications from apps come through based on your preferences. Just tap Add Filter and select the filter you want. For instance, you can silence calendar invites from work or only allow messages from the contacts you added to your allowed people list. Now that your focus is set up, it's ready to be used anytime. To activate it, open Control Center and tap Focus. You can select a focus to start or tap the More button, 3 dots, next to a focus to choose a specific duration. We're going to set our focus for an hour. After that, return to the home screen. If you assigned a home screen page to this focus, your other pages will be hidden. While focus is turned on, all silenced notifications will be sent directly to Notification Center, where you can check them at any time. When your iPhone locks, you'll see your customized lock screen if you selected one for this focus. Your lock screen will also show an icon at the bottom while a focus is active. You can tap this icon to switch to a different focus or to turn it off. You can also turn off the focus by going back to Control Center, and that's how you can stay in the moment with focus. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.